Yeah, welcome to my channel. We are doing our Naturebox unboxing today. Yay! Naturebox used to be a monthly subscription box. Now they are kind of an a la carte, order as you will type membership. You can still get a membership and you just decide on how much you want to add onto your membership, and then you just order as you want, and it just uses the membership dollars that you have in your account towards your bill. Okay, so I took everything out of the box to make it slightly easier. So we're going to start with these cookies. These are the key lime cookies. They don't have these year round. They only have them in the summertime. And they are delicious. I'm just going to open them because I want some. And this is a resealable bag. Most of the items in Naturebox are resealable because they're not single serve items. Well, some of them aren't. But, I mean, you can't just eat one. So, this is what it looks like. I love these cookies. They're so good. Okay. Next thing in the box. Now, what I did was I already had credit from my earlier membership, so I just recently went and bought snacks because I needed one. I needed some. The next thing in the box were these garlic plantain chips. I ordered two. Well, when you order now, it comes with different quantities, so you get 2 bags. They are 5-ounce bags. It's gonna be really probably not a good idea to eat these after the key lime cookies, but we're gonna go for it anyway because these are so good. These are one of my favorite things. This is what they look like. It's like popcorn. A really garlicky, plantain-y popcorn. Oh, it's not. It doesn't taste like popcorn, but it's one of those things you just want to keep eating. Okay. Another favorite of mine. You already know. Salt and vinegar veggie chips. These are so good. The garlic plantains are in a resealable bag. I have 2 bags. I only bought 1 bag of the key lime cookies because that's how it comes, because they're limited edition. This is not resealable. I'm debating on whether I should open it. And I really, really want to. So let's go ahead and just, whatever. I'll just put it in the little Ziploc baggie. But oh, they smell so good. I love salt and vinegar stuff. This is one of the chips. Now what these are plantains, cassava, tanya, purple sweet potatoes, palm olein, salt, natural vinegar flavor. That's the ingredients. So this is probably a purple sweet potato. Plantains. I'm looking to the side because I can kind of see in the mirror. Let me show you one of each. They're so good. This is the cassava. And I think this is the Tanya? I'm not sure. And I think the palm olein is the oil. That makes sense, like a palm oil. I probably shouldn't eat these off this box. They're so good. I'm just going to risk it. Not a resealable bag. I don't even care. It's a 4-ounce bag. It's about half full. But they are delicious. They are so delicious. And the last thing, and I do have 2 bags of that. 2 bags of those. The last thing in the bag, or in the box, are 3 bags of my aged cheddar lentil loops, or aged cheddar loops? Aged cheddar twists. Crunchy cheese twists made with lentil flour. And non-GMO, 80 calories per bag. I'm hesitant to open these. But I've opened everything else, so why stop now? This is what they look like. Pardon him. Sorry. Man child. Man down! Okay. They're delicious. Single serve bag. It does have a fresh by date. They'll be gone by then. Just reality. Okay. That's it. That's my box. If you have not tried Naturebox, naturebox.com. They have over 100 different varieties of snacks. Sweet, salty, nuts and fruit and nuts or something like that. Single serve items. They have like an oatmeal thing. They have jerky, cookies. They have little nom noms. They have animal cracker cookies. All kinds. They have a ton of things. These are some of my favorites. The aged cheddar twist I haven't had in a while. Or have I had these? Is this new for me? I don't know, but they're delicious. So, if you haven't tried them, try them. It's not a sponsored video. I don't work for them. I just really enjoy their snacks, and I'm a foodie, so I like food. So, all right, thank you for watching. You guys have a great week. Bye.